Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just really quickly going to be showing you how I edit hair to go from this to this. It's actually extremely simple and it may be irrelevant to a lot of you on my channel, but I was in the long hair community for a while and I've had a lot of people ask, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you. So you want to open up the PicsArt app, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. I picked a picture like this. It's best to have a darker background, and you want the hair to be all laying against your back like this if possible. So you're going to scroll over to add photo. Then you're just going to click on that, bring up the exact same photo. So once you've got your photo brought up, go over to where it says cut out with the scissors, click on that, zoom into your picture so you can get nice and close, cut out just the very bottom of your hair, you don't need a lot, and then a little bit of the shirt. So I'm just refining it, getting exactly where I want it, and then you click apply. Take your piece that you've got, look and see, get it about as big as it looks like the rest of your hair is, and just try to match it up. This is the hardest part, and it's really not that hard. But if you find a spot that is like really obvious, just try to match it up kind of like a puzzle, and you can stretch it to the side a little bit if you need to get it to match. I'm going to zoom back, and that looks pretty good. So then you just zoom in, stretch it down as far as you want. Let me show you what that looks like. So it's literally that simple, and I'm going to go in and just pull it a little farther. You can really only go to the end of the shirt unless you have on black pants as well before it starts looking a little funky. But yeah, it's really, really simple, guys. So this is how I do it. I'm going to show you a comparison. So I'm just going to go to the top, click that arrow at the top to save it. And then I'm going to pull up my app that I've got right here, layout. Click on both pictures, pick the way I want it to look, and yeah, just zoom them in or out as much as I want to where they're kind of even next to each other. And that is how you do it, guys. Super, super simple. Looks pretty realistic if I do say so myself. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and see you next time for my next video.